The grand finale, or let's just say the final match of the most amazing competition in history is coming up. A final where 8 players battle for victory. Now guess what? This is not basketball competition, neither is it tennis competition. It's also not a football competition. Ladies and gentlemen, it's called the Microsoft Excel World Championship.
These series of Excel esports battles are part of qualification to the main draw of the Microsoft Excel World Championship 2023, with the finals taking place in Las Vegas in December.
If you are an Excel enthusiast or someone who loves to see 2 or more people competing for victory, then smash the like button and also subscribe to this very particular channel, so I will keep you up to date of the recent happening in this very particular competition. Well, for those who are new to this might begin to wonder, ponder, contemplate, reflect, speculate, or even get confused, and they will be like, what is Microsoft Excel World Championship? Before I answer this question, let me show you something.
Alrighty, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who's watching us, whether you're watching live or whether you're watching on the recorded videos after the session. Welcome to the Excel Esports Battle number 8 on the road to Las Vegas. My name's Tim Hang. I'm going to be...
The Microsoft Excel World Championship is basically a yearly competition where Excel experts, MVPs, wizards, specialists battle for victory by showcasing their Excel talent through solving a complex problem that will be presented before them. An end point along the way. This competition is carried out basically online, where 128 players battle for victory. And these players are Excel experts, MVPs, and specialists in using Microsoft Excel. Are you an expert in using Microsoft Excel? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are not an expert, comment your current level of proficiency in using Microsoft Excel.
So, we have prepared a chess game for the players. Your goal is to model how many of these pieces or points will you be able to capture if you place one of your chess pieces to a designated cell on the board.
An Excel expert gets registered, undertake a test, and qualify to be among the 128 contestants for the year. These contestants will be given an Excel problem to solve, and the person who is more accurate and more faster in solving this problem get to move to the next stage, while others get eliminated. This is how the routine continues all through the year, where a match is played in each month. All matches are titled the Road to Grand Finale, which is the final, that is scheduled to hold in the early days of December 2023. So if you don't want to miss the recent happenings or the action as they happen live, subscribe to this very particular channel if you haven't, so I'll keep you updated on things like this and anything that has to do with Microsoft Excel.
Andrew's got 90 points in addition to his 85, so I think Andrew has taken the third bonus question.
He's trying to use a unique formula.
The action kept rising as more and more people get eliminated, from 128 contestants down to 64, down to 32, and down to 16, where contestants get eliminated stage by stage, until we get to the final 8 that will battle for victory at the final in Las Vegas, United States. The winner gets to live with lots of glory, awards, and cash. In case if you don't know, this championship is also sponsored by Microsoft herself, among other sponsors. When you look at the profile of this contestant, you'll be like, oh my god, how can someone be an expert just like this? Sometimes I begin to wonder, are they actually humans? Whether we like it or not, they are humans whom are expert, MVPs, specialists, and wizards in using Microsoft Excel and data analytics. Take for example, Ngai from Australia, Jakub Pomykalski from Poland, Moyer from United States, Willem Gerritsen from Netherlands, Peter Scharl from United States, Clarke from Australia, Adam Carter from Canada, and Diarmuid from Ireland are all specialists whom are good at Excel, and they will be competing each other in the final. So share this video to Excel experts, MVPs, users and specialists so as to keep them up to date on the recent happening about the championship and about Excel as a whole. Will you be attending this year's final? Do you want to register and contest against others in the next championship? Do let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section. Now, if you like this video, let me know as well. And if you don't, let me know what you actually don't like about this very particular video. But before I go, I have 1 or 2 videos that are displayed here. Click any one of them to refresh your brain about Microsoft Excel while we wait for the D-Day, which is the final day of the Microsoft Excel World Championship 2023.